Hey foodies, today's recipe will be Malai Makhan, a traditional Indian dessert. It's a sweet snack made with full cream. It's easy and quick, made in just 15 minutes. This dish does not include any cooking process. Don't miss to relish this dessert with your family and friends. Looks absolutely delectable and tastes heavenly. I'll quickly walk you through the ingredients. Make sure you subscribe and press the bell notification to get latest updates. To begin with, full cream or malai 200 ml, powdered sugar 80 grams, chopped almonds, saffron or kesar, chopped pistachios, Kewra water half teaspoon, baking soda 1 pinch, lemon juice half teaspoon. To the malai, add half teaspoon of lemon juice and a pinch of baking soda. Give it a good mix. This process is done so that you can get a soft and fluffy texture. Let's place it in the refrigerator for 5 to 8 minutes. You can see that the cream has partially frozen. Let's transfer it to a bigger container, to which we will be adding all the ingredients one by one. Powdered sugar, Kewra water, saffron strands, use a hand mixer and combine everything together. You can also add elaichi powder if you want. I have skipped it as my hubby does not like its flavor. As you can notice, the saffron strands have started leaving a yellow tint. After about 4 minutes of beating, the cream will start to thicken. This should be the final texture or consistency of the Malai Makhan. With the help of a spatula, just remove the cream stuck. Yes, it's done and ready to be served. As you can see, it's soft, fluffy and mouth-watering. perfect sweet dish for winters and summers. Trust me, even if you don't have a sweet tooth, you will definitely love this dish, as it leaves a mild flavor on your taste buds. Top it with chopped pistachios and almonds. And there you go with the simple and amazing delicacy. Hope you will like and share this recipe